Most non-native professionals think that they need to sound like the Queen to be respected in a British boardroom. Now, you honestly don't, but you do need to sound finished. When you are nervous, you tend to use junior type intonation, which means that you will tend to go up at the end of sentences, like you're asking for permission. Today, we are going to fix that. This is not going to be a lecture, however. This is more of what I would call a gym session for your mouth. You are going to shadow my corporate voice, the voice that I use when I need to control a room. I will say a phrase, I will leave a gap, and you will repeat it exactly as I did. Let's get to work. First, we will need to fix your consonants. Now, in British business English, a sharp T sound signals precision. If you skip your T's, you sound casual or sloppy. Repeat after me, but focus on the sharp puff of air on the T. Target. We need to hit the target. Strategy. What is the strategy? Commitment. I need your commitment on this. Let's take a look at the data. Good. Feel how much more awake your mouth now feels. That precision makes people listen. Now, the most important part, authority. When you are unsure, your voice tends to go up at the end of your sentences. It sounds something like this. My recommendation is we launch in Q4. Now, your boss hears. I hope that's okay. We're going to practice downward inflection. Imagine walking down a set of stairs. The last word is the lowest step. So shadow me and drop the pitch at the end. And if it helps, make the downward hand gesture at the same time as speaking, as your voice will naturally follow. Here we go. The project is finished. We are not changing the budget. I disagree with that approach. This is the only viable option. So did you hear the difference? You're not asking. Now, let's combine the accent with the words. We're going to take weak junior phrases and replace them with stronger executive ones. And I would like you to use your crisp new T sound and your downward inflection on these strong phrases. So, don't say, I think maybe we could try. Say, my recommendation is that we proceed. Don't say, we're kind of behind schedule. Say, we are currently 2 days behind schedule. Don't say, sorry, but I'm not sure about that. Say, I see this differently. Okay, so let's pull all of this together. Imagine that you are opening a meeting. You have 15 seconds to establish your authority. We will break this next paragraph into 3 main chunks. Shadow each chunk exactly. Here we go. Good morning, everyone. Let's make a start. The purpose of this meeting is to approve the Q4 budget. We have a lot to get through, so let's stick to the agenda. So how did that feel? Did you feel it was a little bit aggressive? If so, good, because to British ears, that is not aggressive, it is professional. If you found this difficult, and it does take some practice, please repeat the video again later. Your voice is a muscle, so spend a little time training it. See you in the next one.